In this video, I'm going to talk about the content of the course. So, what you are going to learn. This course talks about designing and wiring industrial control circuits using PLC and ladder logic. So, there is three important things that you are going to learn in this course. First, designing circuits and wiring circuits, and also programming PLC using ladder logic programming language. The course is divided into 4 parts. The first one is Intro to Three-Phase World. In this section, we are going to talk about the three-phase AC current, the three-phase motors, and also the most important two connection circuits, the star and delta connection circuits. The second part is one of the most important parts, and this part talks about the components of the circuit and designing circuits using them. So that actually means that we are going to learn about the components of the circuit, and after that we are going to apply this knowledge, apply the things that we have learned into designing circuits using these components. The third part is the industrial sensors. We are going to talk about the sensors used in the industrial applications or the industrial operations. The last part, the most important one, and this part is all about the PLC and applying on three different types of PLC. So that actually means that we are going to talk about the PLC, what is the PLC, and programming the PLC using some complex circuits, and also applying this knowledge, applying these things that we have learned into three different types. The first section, Intro to Three-Phase World, we are going to talk about first how the industry uses control circuits. Second, we are going to talk about current, voltage, and resistance. Then we are going to talk about AC current, DC current, and the frequency. The last thing is three-phase motor and star-delta connection. The second section is components and designing circuits using them. In this section, we are going to talk about all of the circuit components, and after each component, we are going to apply the knowledge on designing a circuit using these components. The third section is industrial sensors. In this section, we are going to talk about the most important sensors and the most used and the most famous sensors that used in the industrial operation. So we are going to talk about 5 sensors. These sensors are inductive proximity sensor, capacitive proximity sensor, optical proximity sensor, reed switch, and the flow sensor. The last section is the section that talks about the PLC. In this section, we are going to design more complex circuits that operate a whole production lines using 3 different types of PLCs. And these are Zelio from Schneider, Omron, and Simatic from Siemens. We are going to use ladder logic programming language to do this and then simulate the circuits using the software of these PLCs. And this was the content of the course. So thanks you for watching, and I hope to see you inside.